Introducing the 2019 Volkswagen Golf 1.0TSI 115BHP 5 Door Automatic Highline in stunning red. With a 1 litre engine and 72,125 kilometres on the clock, this beauty is loaded with features like ambient lighting, Android Auto/CarPlay and luxury trim. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. Plus, enjoy convenience with Bluetooth, cruise control and voice control. This vehicle has been fully inspected, serviced and comes with a warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.